What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the WORKPRO Magnetic Screwdriver Set. Let's get into it. And as you can tell that I have my WORKPRO Wing Nut Driver Set. I have my WORKPRO Lug Nut Driver Set. And we have the WORKPRO Screwdriver Set. All right, you guys, so here we go. As usual, WORKPRO always give you a little bit of appreciation. This is a thank you card. And they give you a mounting case right here. 1, 2, so pretty much you just need 2 screws. They gave us screws and anchors. Now, again, that's if you want to hang this up, which, I mean, we will hang it up. You will have to determine how you want to hang it up, but basically just put the 2 screws in and that should be it. And then it lets you know what screwdriver fits in what. They have the numbers here and then you see the numbers on here. So this is PH1. So you have to look for PH1 and then drop it in and then it fits right on in. All right. And this is a tight fit. This is not like it just wobbles. It don't wobble. It's a tight fit and it goes with the groove of the hex right here. The cool thing about this hex right here is, let's say if you using this to unscrew something and if it's tight, you can grab an adjustable wrench and grip onto this and then turn it. So that is the cool thing about this. Now they said the tips are magnetized. So let's see. So these screws, I'm not sure if they're metal or not. They've been getting cheap with screws lately. So let's see if these screws are metal. Oh, okay. Very nice. This is what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. We're not looking, look at that. I could turn it. Okay. Well, I did get a little aggressive. I was getting a little too happy, but look at that. Look at that, you guys. This is what we're looking for, okay? Now, again, when you have the smaller screwdriver, you have a skinnier tip. When you have a skinnier tip, all right, you guys, so the rules of the game, if you have something that's smaller or a smaller tool that you're trying to screw on with and you're trying to screw onto your screw and you keep slipping, then more than likely you're going to strip your screw. And that's why you go to a medium size, which will have a better fit onto your Phillip head, okay? And if you go to a bigger size, then it just won't fit. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice, you guys. All right, so the bigger size don't fit, all right? So medium size is perfect for this. Look at that. This is perfect. I love these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, put these up, and then finalize a review so y'all can see what it looks like when it's mounted up. And we are all in. I know it's kind of a little dirty now, but going right on in. Fits perfectly. Everything fits perfectly. And this is not bad either. It actually works very well. And we are WORKPRO up, all right? At WORKPRO have some of these. I'll get another set of these magnetic things. Everybody loved this magnetic thing, but anyways, we're on here. So this is the WORKPRO Magnetic Set. We went over all the features, pulled it out, magnetic tip. You got the hex right here to give you more leverage when you need to turn something off that's really tight, or maybe you need to tighten something, and then you can use the hex and the adjustable wrench. And then you have the magnetic back. Use a hammer and you're not damaging no plastic or rubber on your screwdriver. Now, the only thing that I hate about this set is that I know that I'm going to lose at least one of these screwdrivers. So I'm going to try my best to make sure whoever touched this screwdriver set, put it back. I don't want to hear no, oh, can I borrow this? Can I? No. I bought, I don't know how many screwdriver sets over the years, you guys, through Black Friday, through all sales, Home Depot, Lowe's, all that stuff. I can't tell you how many sets that I lost. All my sets. This one, just please leave these 6 be, okay? That's it. All right, you guys, that's it. This is a little fun. But that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.